Hi, I'm Cristina Headley from Equip for Equality. This video answers common questions to provide an overview of Medicaid coverage for children and families in Illinois. The information applies to people with disabilities, including older Americans with physical, cognitive, sensory, or mental impairments. First, if I am taking care of my grandchildren, can I get Medicaid for them? Yes. If you are a caretaker or relative of children under the age of 19, you can get Medicaid for those children in a program called All Kids. There are 6 plans that cover children and families in All Kids. Children are eligible up to age 19. Adults must be either a parent or caretaker relative with the children under 19 living in the home or a pregnant woman. Second, what are the income requirements for All Kids? The program you qualify for depends on your family size and income. For All Kids Assist, children must live in families with countable income below 145% of the federal poverty level. As a grandparent or parent, you are eligible for Medicaid coverage if your income is below 138% of the federal poverty level. For All Kids Share, your grandchildren are eligible for Medicaid if the countable family income is between 147 and 157% of the federal poverty level. For slightly higher family incomes, the All Kids Premium Level 1 and 2 programs, families must pay monthly premiums based on the number of children covered as well as copayments. Generally, you should be eligible for some program if your family income is below 300% of the federal poverty level. For a family of 3 in 2014, that is $4,948 a month. Third, is there an asset requirement for these programs? No, there is no asset requirement for these programs. Fourth, are there copays? For All Kids, there are no copays or premiums. For All Kids Share, there is a copay for each medical service and prescription up to $100 a year. For the premium programs, there are copays. Fifth, do my grandchildren have to be a citizen to qualify for the All Kids program? There are no citizenship requirements for the children for All Kids programs. You, as a caretaker relative, do not have to be a citizen or a qualified immigrant to apply for the children or relative children, and they do not have to be U.S. citizens or legally present in the U.S. Sixth, I also need Medicaid for myself. Do I get that with All Kids? There is a program called Family Care for parents and certain relative caretakers of children under 19. To qualify for this program, you or your children or relative must live with you. Seventh, are there other requirements for family care? Yes, there is a citizenship requirement. You must be a U.S. citizen or a qualified legal immigrant living in the U.S. for at least 5 years. You also must have income below 138% of the federal poverty level. There are also small copays for doctor's visits, prescriptions, and using the emergency room when there is not an emergency. For more information on family programs, go to familycareillinois.com. You can also apply online at illinois.gov. You can also find assistance at getcoveredillinois.gov. In addition, contact Equip for Equality at equipforequality.org.